Row 3, you will be middle right.
Lea sus niños. Gracias.
Row 2, you will be front left. Alright, once again, seatbelts go left to right and left to right only. My back row, go ahead and pull on those yellow straps on your right side for me. Perfect, 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 perfect. Alright, middle row, pull on those yellow straps. Pull on those yellow straps for me, middle row. Thank you. Alright. Now, front row, pull on those yellow straps. Pull on those yellow straps. Pull on those yellow straps. Thank you, thank you. Now, everyone, both hands high up in the air. Everybody, both hands up. Both hands up, everyone. Perfect. All right. I do hope you enjoy your stay, everyone.
You know why they do that?
Bye-bye.
Two hands. Bye-bye. Make sure you're not holding the phone.
You were the passengers of the most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and had a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.
What are you doing?
You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination, in the Tower of Terror. In any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant one. And please, do come back and see us again. Thank you.
Oh, it's not over. Oh, it is over. Where's the thing? Is it this side? Oh, wait.